cheek. Hey! Hey! Cool. Why should adopt a bird? First of all, look how cute he is. This is my green-cheeked parakeet. His name is Rowley. Birds are loving, playful, and also misunderstood pets, which is why I felt like I had to make this video. He's like walking away. Come here, little buddy. These birds love to cuddle so much. They're like little puppies and they need attention. He's playing with my hand right now. He loves to play, but they love cuddling, and sometimes he'll even fall asleep. But these birds love to cuddle. They're not just cage pets. He's not biting me. Curious about my fingernails. Like, they're very curious as well. He loves to be close. He'll land on my head just so he can walk with me. Best friends for life. These birds love eating vegetables, roots. He loves eating everything. He's a pretty good bird. He's not picky. He was picky in the beginning, but we made sure to really incorporate rich foods into his diet. There's so much research out there on how to really take care of a bird and make sure that you're fulfilling their needs, especially with their nutrients. They're extremely playful. Like, this is why I'm giving him my clip right now, so he's entertained. They kind of like nibbling on things. We have so many toys for him, like so many toys. Again, they're like little puppies, like puppies who love to like just play. Birds are literally like that, and I honestly didn't even know that until I really got a bird. I kind of thought birds were just cage pets, unfortunately, because I did have finches when I was a child and the finches just stayed in the cage, and I think I have a really deeper appreciation for birds now. Not that like I was like, I don't like birds. I've always loved birds, but I have more of an appreciation now that I have my own, and I know how to care and handle birds, and I know how to approach them better. Birds are honestly so misunderstood. I have met different kinds of birds, and honestly I kind of noticed the same thing with them, that they really like to just be cared to and they like attention. So I don't think it's only with him. I'm pretty sure it's like with most birds that like that. He loves to be with me and my sister so much. He does love my family, but he does trust us the most. So I feel like birds are selective with who they trust. Imagine what are these sounds here I'm making? They're like little troublemakers at times. Like, it's not nothing that you can't handle. What are you doing? It just makes me sad. Stores like PetSmart or Petco, they sit in cages for months, and sometimes they live there their whole lives, and that makes me so sad. And when the videos came out of like people finding birds in the dumpsters, I was a bawling mess that anyone could treat a bird like that. So adopting from a rescue, rehoming a bird, not only gives them a second chance, but to thrive in a loving home. And they love to be loved. They love to be pet. Baby, no more biting. Also, birds can live a long time. Like green-cheeked parakeets, if they're taken care of properly and loved, they can live up to 30 years. So that's like a beautiful best friend for such a long time, and they love you so much, and they're very loyal. He likes me being in his sight. If I leave the room, he's gonna follow me. See? He had to follow me when I was leaving the room. They are definitely a commitment, but it's definitely one that's worth it. They like to dance. Probably dance. Hey. But I just think we as humans also have a responsibility to take care of animals on this planet. I've always been such a huge advocate for animals, so I really want to advocate for birds, because this is really my first time having a bird, but he's beautiful. I love it. Biggest con is definitely the pooping, but we have trained him to poop in the cage before he comes out, and for him to go to his cage. Birds poop about every 15 to 20 minutes, or he does anyways. So in 15 minutes, I'm like, let's go to your cage, go poo poo, and he does it. And he also says, go poo poo, like he mocks me. So it is really cool how they can like mimic you and kind of talk, because I'm pretty sure he's from like the parrot family, and parrots can like talk. They need a large cage, lots of toys, out of cage time. They love to explore, but he's also good in his cage as well, so don't feel like, oh, they have to be all the time. No, he's pretty good in his cage. And also, it's not just about owning a bird, it's about creating a home for them and being there for the animals that we have on our earth. A beautiful appreciation for them. Never really knew that birds are capable of so much more. I wasn't educated on it, and until you get your own, until you put yourself in that position, you can really fully embrace the full experience of owning a bird and what it is to take care of a bird. Honestly, as you own pets, you educate yourself so much. I'm not saying there aren't any cons to owning a bird. There's obviously pros and cons to everything. To me, the pros outweigh the cons. Like, the pooping is definitely a thing a lot of people don't like, and the chewing things, but if you give them enough things to chew, it'll be fine. In the beginning, we didn't really know, so we kind of chewed a bunch of our things, but now that we know, we give them a bunch of toys, we give them things to chew on. When you do your research, you'll be good. You'll be set. Treat them nice. Treat them with kindness and respect. If you're thinking about getting a bird, consider adopting. You'll give the bird the love and care. I love animals so much. They have such a soft spot in my heart. Let's do what we can for birds, because I don't like seeing them being mistreated, and they deserve a lot more respect. He's in my sister's room right now because she just came home. I'll see you guys. Bye. 10 Rowley is here.